Alignment on the Z-axis is stable.
Confirmed. The billet is within tolerance for the cutting station. The structural consistency is confirmed across all billets.
Initiating automated routing for process A and B. Following quality control, the conveyor belt splits. Process A blocks move left for the landing gear struts. A single titanium alloy block receives a micro engraving, marking it explicitly for process A. As material preparation continues, a high-pressure cooling system activator, circulating specialized coolant. Control, alignment check complete. Initiating pressure sequence.
Roger that. Pressure sequence authorized.
The specialized robotic arm applies the final certification labels to the C-17's main landing gear strut.
The robotic system gently lowers the heavy component into the foam-lined container. Two workers then secure the lid.
The precise wing-to-fuselage mating of the C-17 Globemaster. In a separate zone, the 50,000-ton hydraulic press shapes the fuselage bulkheads. The laser trim completes process B, revealing a perfectly smooth edge on the titanium alloy.
This process induces compressive, residual stress on the surface, significantly increasing the fatigue life and structural resilience.
The automated riveting process, or Process B, rapidly secures the fuselage frame. Specialized robotics.
Okay, center the load. Move forward 5 degrees northeast. Steady, steady.
Ensuring long-term protection of the titanium alloy structure requires incredible precision before the skin panels are attached.
Bring it down another 2 millimeters, very slowly.
Confirmed, 2 millimeters. Stand by for alignment lock.
Engaging the alignment pins on section 4.
Running the hydraulics to flush.
Confirmed 0 gap. Stress sensors are reading nominal across the board.
Confirmed. The load distribution is correct.
We have integrity.
Verify the connection point for the hydraulics.
Verified. All harnesses secured to the bulkhead.
Check the temperature on the starboard side, near the leading edge.
It's consistent. The application is flawless.
The dark gray is applying smoothly.
Check the gradient on the fuselage curve. It needs to match the military spec exactly.
Flaps extending smoothly. Pressure holding steady at 3000 psi.
Noted. Beginning rudder sweep.
Diagnostics complete. Engine 1 status ready.
Calibration sequence initiated. Flight systems are go.
Automated cycle sequence successful.
All parameters in the green. Verified. All quality checkpoints passed. The structure is officially certified.
Alignment procedure.
Alignment procedure complete. Connect.
Roger. Roger. Ready for departure.
Touchdown on the remote airstrip height strip seat to seize as a rep design. With which are also 100 Nantaku.
Check the seam alignment, starboard wing.
Looks good, sir. No anomalies on the integration zone. Pre-flight checks proceeding.
Despite the extreme turbulence, the wing-to-fuselage mating alignment holds firm, a testament to precision engineering.
Adjusting trim, how are the hydraulics looking?
Hydraulics stable, we are holding steady.
Check the bolts on the B-zone.
Reading nominal. No fatigue detected.
Keep it moving. Next pallet ready. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the left.